Ma, is everything okay? Are you okay, Ma?
I heard you the first time, Tasha. Everything is fine. It's a pick your home now. What's your problem?
Hello, madam. Madam, you want to go and piss again?
What is your problem? Do you want to come with me? No, come with me now.
No, madam, I just did.
Come mind your business.
Hey, nah, this my mouth, you know, go put me for trouble one day. Madam.
Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office. Another one. Welcome to the office.
Madam, no too much.
Who know they see? Why you and see the vex? Fred! Yay!
Me, I don't know. She was here when I was asking her.
I've been a family problem.
No. She boss is her sister. Boss would be mommy too now. This one. Maybe it's mother. Maybe it's pregnancy.
Hey! Tasha, take God name beg you. I know day when you dey talk this one. Which one is pregnancy? I beg, see my handprints. I shave them this morning before I can't walk. Not before my mouth to go, yes, say okra they draw. I take God name beg you, please.
But think about it, think about it. She that she used to form commando. What else is going to be making her shake like this? If it's not pregnancy, think about it. Maybe the man that impregnated her, she's calling him, it's not picking up. So,
It be true.
Yes, now.
That one safe add up. Fred.
See?
You know see as you can see they move.
Now the thing where they try explain given her. As they look at now, as they enter toilets, they come outside. They enter toilets, they come outside. And they suspect something. Maybe she have half pregnancy.
What did I tell you? It makes sense.
I think.
Yes, now.
I think she have half pregnancy. Yeah.
No, wait, she come.
The thing wey me and you be say, for this office, one day, breeze go blow, fire nyash go open. The thing wey dem commit for night go later show for day.
You cannot hide pregnancy forever. One day it will show.
My grandpa, they don't feel fine now.
Make I go back to my work.
I know they now say na pregnancy. I know they. I just ask a simple question.
Small G's you dey fear.
Why I no go fear?
Small G's.
Why I no go fear?
Listen,
I beg go see my handprints.
Pregnancy now.
It's well shaved. Thank you very much.
Pregnancy. Yes, yeah.
Are you okay? You've been hissing and complaining about this thing for how long? Do you want to talk about it? Sit down, let's see what we can work out.
Since I said I'm fine, trust me.
Rachel, I'm not stupid. I know that the reason you're doing this thing in front of me is because you want to discuss it with me. Please sit down and let's talk about it. We'll always figure it out. What is going on?
Sorry. Okay. You know that time that I came to your office and to collect some files, and then I told you that I wanted to start a project with somebody, but I wanted to keep it as a surprise. Yeah, well, I started it, and now the person is not picking my call.
And by starting the project, you mean that you've already sent the person some money?
Yeah, I sent the money, but that's not the problem now.
You see, this was what I was trying to warn you about.
Sis, please. Please, this is why I did not want to tell you, because you will now come and start throwing blames at me and you will not even allow me to finish first.
Okay, sorry. Forgive me. Continue.
Don't worry, I don't want to talk about it again.
Rachel.
I don't want to talk about it, please.
Did she just walk out on me? And she called me by my name. You guys heard it, right? Anyway, I don't have it as an elder sister. It was my name.
We're family, we're fine, we're family, but we're fine. And we jiggy jiggy, and we boogie boogie, we get the mola mola. Don't mess with us. Hey, come on. You gotta love us,
Welcome now.
Welcome to Potato Property.
Thank you very much.
How may I help you today, ma'am?
Please a moment, please. Hello? My dear, I am not fine. I am not fine at all. This same man I sacrificed everything for. See the way he's doing to me. Eh? And you ask me to, I cannot be calm. Eh? How can you expect me to be calm? I've heard you. But I cursed the day I met this man. God will punish him for me. He will ask God for bread and God will give him stone. It will not be well with him. His children will hate him. On important days, things will not go well for him. The day his club will play, he will lose his remote. Whenever he goes to take his bath, soap will enter his eyes and he will not be able to wash the soap off. Useless man. My God will punish him. I know there's karma. Karma will visit him. God will punish him for me. How can you ask me to be calm? I've heard you. But God will punish him for me. God will punish him. He will ask God for bread and God will give him stone. He will go to take his bath and soap will enter his eyes and he will try to wash it off and he will refuse to wash. It will not be well with him. His children will hate him. The day he has important appointments, he will be stuck in traffic for 3 hours. And when he finally leaves that traffic, he won't even know what caused the traffic in the first place. Karma will catch up with him. God will punish him for me. I've heard you. I've heard you. How are the children? Don't worry, I'll call you back later. I'm in public place now. Take care. Alright, bye-bye.
Ma, I'm so sorry to intrude on your private conversation, but I just hate to see women in distress. Are you okay?
My dear, don't be sorry for me. You see men, fear them. Before you have your breakfast, fear them. When you're done having your breakfast, fear them. Before you go to take your bath, fear them. Before you go to bed, fear them. Always pray against men because men are wicked.
Ma, this thing that you just said, you're very, very correct. Extremely wicked set of people.
See this useless man. No, he's not even a useless man. He's a useless thing. I have been married to this useless thing for 16 years.
Hey.
And all the while we were married, he was unfaithful. He was cheating back to back. Some months ago, he had the audacity to tell me that he wants to marry another wife. Yes! Only yesterday, his friend told me that he has gone to pay the dowry of the woman he wants to get married to.
Imagine.
When he got home, I confronted him. And guess what? He threw me out of the house!
Men are wicked.
Men are wicked.
I'm sorry, ma.
God will punish him! But it is well. It is well. At least My friend advised me to be saving small, to be stealing from him and saving money. As if I know this day will come. As if I know this day will come. Thank God I stole and if you see my bank account, very huge. So my sister, me, I'm here to rent an apartment because see now, they threw me out yesterday.
I'm so sorry. And please, I know it's not my place, so, but I just want to say one thing. As you are cursing this man, please, he's the father of your children. Any curse you put on him can affect your children one day.
My dear, at this point, I do not care. I do not care. It will not be well with him. Go away, punish him for me. I need to rent an apartment.
Unfortunately, ma'am, we don't handle rentals, but you know what I can do for you?
Okay.
I can refer you to one of our sister companies that handles rentals.
Oh, that'll be nice.
Okay?
That'll be nice.
Okay, please take this.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Don't worry, when I'm done renting and straightening up, I will come and buy property from you people.
We'll be expecting
because of you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
and
you
take
so
care
much.
of yourself.
I will,
Don't allow wicked men to push you down.
My dear, thank you for even listening to me, Listening to me brought a breath of sunshine for me. I am so grateful.
I'm so happy to help.
Alright, take care.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Yeah?
You dey see talk?
Yeah? It's like relationship issues are flying up and down today. But see one thing here I know. Men are wicked.
Can you just
Women are
imagine? Imagine that innocent woman.
Innocent guinea. Una just dey talk una own. Una no even hear the man side of the story. Una say na innocent woman. Make una hear the man side too. Na only the woman side na dey hear.
Fred, what other side of the story do you want to hear again? Didn't you hear her said that the man drove her out of the house because he wants to marry another woman?
And so what? Una no even ask wetin the woman do wey make the man wan go marry another wife. What if it is her wetin madam dey call this thing sef? Her behaviour that make the man want to go and bring another woman to come for the house.
What is this one even saying? Didn't you hear when she said that the man has been cheating on her for many years?
Just imagine.
Shey na the man put am for inside the sofa abi na she put herself inside the sofa? Una like to dey always dey use emotion. Dey always dey handle matter. What is there?
You know what, Tasha, don't mind him. Selective judgment.
Yeah. Which one gonna be seductive government for here now?
It's not seductive, it's selective.
Seductive government.
Selective is when you select. It's self-explanatory. Selective.
Self-explanatory. Small thing una go dey blow grammar everywhere. If na that one, then be say now they do the seductive government now.
It is not seductive. How many times will they correct you? It is called selective judgment. And I beg, no even leave the English aside. What's it make they tell us say now we are being
the one emotional.
Emotional. We are being selective.
They use emotion, they judge the matter now. If to say madam dey here now, she go tell you say this matter not be matter of emotion. Na simple logic. Simple logic. The matter na simple logic. Now they use emotion, they judge am. Nonsense.
Anyway, arguing with this one is just purposeless.
Waste of time.
Like, you don't even understand anything.
At all.
Una think say na by all this big grammar wey una dey blow. Forget o, na only school I no go. Experience wey dey this my head pass na own. Simple logic.
I better leave this guy. Is the woman coming back?
She said that she's looking for a rental. You know we don't handle those ones now. So, but she said that she'll come back just because of me. C'est moi.
That woman look like person wey fit buy a house.
No, don't. The woman said that she has been putting small money to the side. Yes, so maybe she has something.
Man.
When you're married to some kind of useless man, you have to be preparing yourself.
Useless and dense, illiterate. You don't know anything.
Don't mind them.
I mean, let me go back to my seat.
As na dey cause man, na wetin make una never marry.
This job done. It's okay. Everybody go. Everybody go. I beg. Nonsense.
It's okay. Then they knock for here. Just come inside now.
Why are you scared? Did you commit any crime?
I didn't commit any crime.
Calm down. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. I'm Inspector Sam. And these are my colleagues.
Good evening,
We are from
sir.
the state CID.
You are welcome, sir.
We have a warrant for the arrest of one Miss Ray Anton.
I think you are.
You are still standing here. Go and call madam. Down now.
I will come in 1 minute. Okay, sorry.
Please, patience. Thank you.
Madam, this.
Good day, madam. Are you Miss Ray?
No, I'm not. My name is Nini. I'm the boss here.
Okay. I'm Inspector Sam, and we are from the state CID. I have a warrant for the arrest of one Miss Ray.
On what count, sir?
Okay, she's been accused to be an accomplice for money laundering and other fraudulent activities. Although, still a suspect as we speak until proven guilty in court.
Inspector
Sam.
Inspector Sam, are you sure you have the right person on that warrant?
Of course.
May I see it, please?
Yeah.
And it is indeed Ray. I'm about to make the hardest decision anyone can make. Should I out Ray? Should I give them a misleading information? The thing is, I don't know what information they have. So I must be careful with my next words. Otherwise, I could be labeled as an accomplice as well. Yes, she is my sister. Yes, I must protect her. But these are strong accusations. Money laundering. You know, I didn't ask her to tell me what was going on. But she walked out on me. I don't want to believe that she's guilty of this. But if by any chance she did the crime, oh, she better get ready to do the time. What? Why are you looking at me like that? Please don't judge me. I'm not the suspect here. Officers, she's in my office. Fred, lead them, please.
Thank you, madam, for your cooperation. Officers, so get her.
Officer, please, I swear I am innocent. Officer, please. Officer, listen, I did not do anything. Don't do this. Please, I swear I'm very innocent. I didn't do anything. Officers, please, I didn't do anything.
You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say could be used against you in the court of law. Also, you have the right to contact a lawyer. But in case you are unable to provide one, the government will provide one for you. Do you understand the rights, ma'am?
Sir, I understand, but I did not do anything. Sis, please, I promise you I am innocent. I didn't do anything.
Ray, just go with them for now.
Please now, officer, I'm begging you. I swear I did not.
Sam, what division are you from, please?
Okay, we are from the Island Division.
Right, may I come with you?
Sure.
Alright, let me just get my bag.
Officers,
Please, no, I didn't do anything. I swear I didn't do anything. Officer, please, officer, I'm innocent. Officer. Good.
Have they gone? They said you should leave them outside.
Madam.
Fred, look now, please.
Yeah? So small madam na thief.
Nobody said she stole anything.
Which person police they find again if no be thief? Police and thief.
This guy. You better be quiet, so if not, it's you they will come and bundle up next.
God forbid.
Rubbish.
Nwa Chineke. Indaboski Bahose. Amen.
Everybody come on.
Everybody come on.
Welcome to the office.
It's another one.
And we chicken chicken. And we boogie boogie. We got the mola mola. Let's get us. You gotta love us. You gotta love us. You just gotta love us. To the office.
Madam, we can't for this one. Madam,
Me, I don't know if you're the Welcome to my office.
Madam, make a rap for this one. I beg, make a rap for this one. I beg now, please. I beg. Let me rap, please. Well, nice. Yo, everybody come on. Everybody come. Everybody come. While I know too much.
Thank you, madam, for your cooperation. Officers,
sir,
go get her.
Augusta, let me take you there.
Move. No. I didn't go there.
Okay, I should have bring her. Now we go take that.
She's not a criminal.
Let me this.
Hello, officers. How may I help you? No, please. Sorry.
Now.
Sorry.
Person.
Sorry, sir. Keep quiet. I'm not well dressed.
No, this girl.
We might go trouser.
Still.
No. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Please, my bongo friends are there. Because they say this one's doing overseas.
Let's go.
Hey,
Hey, madam.